Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I have a lot of goodies to unbox for y'all. All of the items are from Influenster in collaboration with other brands. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so we're gonna start with the OUAI products first, and then we're gonna work our way to these other boxes. I'm gonna move these out of the way for now. Okay, so the first product we have is the OUAI Thick Hair Treatment Mask. I like the packaging. It's like a matte finish. It's really cute. It's nice. This is how it looks. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna pull this back. Y'all forgive me, my nails be messing me up sometimes. It smells nice. It doesn't necessarily smell fruity. And just like touching it just to see like what the thickness is. It's a little thick. It's definitely not runny. As you can tell, I have it upside down and nothing is falling out. I definitely can't wait to use that because I have 4C hair, so we're gonna make sure that we use that in our next wash day. Sorry y'all, I was having trouble with the top, but yeah, so they sent me this to review. They always send a little like brochure to kind of tell you what the mask is used for. This is if your hair needs a little TLC to repair damage, restore hydration, and to add shine. All of the things which I love to use those type of products for my hair because it can get really, really dry. So this next one we're gonna do is from Tilbury. This was one of the ones I had to keep like quiet about. Like we couldn't open it until I think today. They be having all these boxes and sometimes it's real small in there, y'all. So this is the concealer, and then this is the like fire that they put with it. It says the key ingredients are like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, which I love because my skin can get like very uneven. And then it says that it conceals, brightens, and lifts. So with that being said, I got sent the color Deep. Sorry, it's having a little trouble focusing. Okay, so for me, this color is not necessarily going to brighten for me, but I can use it to definitely like sculpt the face. Like it's because it's too close to my skin tone, so it's not actually gonna brighten. But I will definitely make sure I use it. I may even make a video, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm not good with the makeup videos and everything like that, and I'm usually in a rush, so I just like do my makeup and go. But yeah, I'll definitely like do an update on all these products that I've been getting and then let y'all know what I think of each one. So the next one we are going to unbox is one from Decay. This is the all-nighter setting spray, and you guys, I actually did not have to review this one because of course you guys know this is a real popular one. I just had to do some activities. So I had to like post on Instagram. I had to do an activity online. It was about bullying, which of course these days that's really big, kind of to like stop bullying or like inform people about like cyberbullying and everything like that, which I thought was neat. And I got a full-size bottle, and I absolutely love the all-nighter spray, so I was very excited. I would have did it even if I wasn't receiving this though, just based on some of the work that I do. So, and I think they sent, yep, their flyer, Online Bullying Hurts in Real Life. And it's the Cyber Smile Foundation. And they were just saying thank you for posting on Instagram. Yeah. And of course, you guys, let's try to stop the cyberbullying online. So the next product is from a company that I already liked. It's called PhD. It's for women's like health, as far as like your pH balance and making sure, you know, that all your feminine needs are met. So I already like this brand, and I have not tried any of the products that's actually in here. So I'm glad to, you know, have it in my possession. So the first one is boric acid, vaginal suppositories. You never know when you might need it. I feel like as women, we get all types of stuff with no explanation. And I do actually really like this brand. This one is boric acid, vaginal suppositories as well. But it looks like these are pills, right? Like, because some people are not gonna want to actually use the suppositories. And then that's that. And it says it has vitamin E and coconut oil. And then they have a boric acid sensitive foam wash. And it says that it's plant-based and it's pH balanced, gynecologist recommended, and paraben free. And then it tells you what the pH balance is of this product, which is good. And like I said, you never know when you might need this stuff, so I'm still glad to have it. This is the flyer that they sent me, and this is the PhD Feminine Health Vox Box. And I think more people need to, you know, realize that women, they get all type of things, the UTIs and all that stuff. It is literally a part of life. So good to have it just in case. And even if it's not for you, for somebody else. And then the last box is from Codex. This is they say it's a pioneering plant-based biotech beauty, okay? And I think we have a lot of goodies from them. Yes. So they sent me 4 different products. What we're gonna do is start with their flyer. Super cute. It says it's a biotech innovation, and it's for oily, acne-prone skin. It says that it combines land and marine plants, and is clinically proven to reduce the oiliness, dead skin, and redness. And this is the back of their flyer. So the first product they sent me is their Balancing Clay Mask. And this is some of the products that's in it. It has bentonite, And it says it's a multitasking clay mask that reduces oiliness, smooths, and helps reduce the appearance of redness. So that's basically their whole motto right there. And sorry, I'm having a little issue getting it open. So this is the clay mask. I think it has, yes, of course, has a security measure on it. I should have known. Okay, so I've got it open and this is what it looks like. It's definitely thick. Definitely not runny. It doesn't have any beads or anything like that, but it's super thick, as you can see. It definitely doesn't smell like it has any fragrance in it, which is really, really good. Because I don't like using products that have all these fragrances. Like, just give me a good product that works. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna rinse this off. But it's definitely thick, and I think it definitely feels like it's a good mask. Okay, now let's open the other products. The next one is the foaming cleanser. And they all say balancing so far. So I'm gonna assume that's what this whole line is for. Cute. I love the color. I love, love, love the color of these bottles, okay? So this is just a foam. I'm not even gonna bother like putting this out. Everybody knows what a foam wash looks like. And it also doesn't have that fragrancy smell. Like, I am really big on products just doing what they say they're gonna do. I don't like fragrance products on my face. This other one's gonna be an oil control cream. And this is good. Like, I would say this is good for like your T-zone. Cause like that's the area for me that gets oily. The rest of my face, I would say, is dry. That's why I have combination skin. So this is gonna be really, really good. And these are the products that is in it. Sorry, it is having a hard time focusing. It says that it's lightweight, soothing cream that helps it mattify and smooth your skin. So it's a pump top. Honestly, that's so smart, y'all, because these parts you be squeezing and squeezing. Really cute designs. And then last but not least, we have the toner, which I have been needing a good toner, so I'm so glad that they sent this. Of course, I'm going to check out the products, but all of the products that they sent me are going to be from ones that I said, like the ingredients that I said I was okay with using. Like, they don't just send you anything and expect you to try it. You answer questions about what products you would be interested in trying out and everything like that. And so far, I don't see anything that I would not use. So here we are. Got it. And let's see how the toner looks. I love when they send me face products. I really, really do. This is the bottle. And then, okay, normal toner bottle. And that really concludes this video. If you guys have any questions about Codex, Urban Decay, Charlotte Tilbury, PhD, or the OUAI products, put them in the comments below. I just want to say thank you guys for watching and keeping up with my channel, and I'll be talking to you guys soon.